Blockchain innovation is being proclaimed as the following huge thing in different enterprises. While the maximum capacity of this innovation is yet to be revealed, it is as of now certain that blockchain has the ability to upset the manner in which we carry on with work. Vechain is an organization utilizing blockchain to change the extravagance merchandise industry. With an extraordinary experienced group and style titans as accomplices, it has previously created all in all a ruckus. In the event that you're keen on the venture's examination and the Vechain cost expectation, then continue to peruse. Vechain outline. Vechain is a blockchain stage that empowers organizations to fabricate decentralized applications, dApps, and manage exchanges with more noteworthy straightforwardness and security. With its blockchain-based arrangements, Vechain means to address the difficulties of falsifying, inventory network the board, and information uprightness. By permitting organizations to follow their items and resources on the blockchain, Vechain gives a sealed answer for organizations and upgraded straightforwardness for shoppers. What is Vechain Vet? Vechain is a disseminated record innovation, DLT, stage that spotlights on improving on-store network the executives. The framework uses a blend of Web of Things, IoT, gadgets and blockchain innovation to give perceivability, recognizability, and realness for organizations and buyers the same. The stage was intended to zero in on the issues of forging and extortion in the store network industry. By utilizing the Vechain blockchain stage, organizations can follow the provenance of their items and guarantee that they are real. Moreover, the stage can be utilized to follow the development of merchandise and data through the production network. Thus, organizations can acquire more prominent perceivability into their activities and work on their capacity to oversee risk. The Vechain blockchain stage gives an incredible asset to organizations that need to follow the provenance of their items and guarantee their validness. Maybe the most novel part of Vechain is its foundation, which permits organizations to send off their own computerized tokens and raise finances through introductory coin contributions. This adaptability makes Vechain an alluring choice for organizations hoping to smooth out their inventory chains and tap into the prospering universe of crypto resources. With its solid group of consultants and accomplices, Vechain is strategically set up to proceed with its development in the years to come. Radiant Liu, ex-CIO of Louis Vuitton China, laid out the Vechain Group in 2015. They have workplaces in Shanghai, Singapore, and Paris. The venture is controlled by Vechain Establishment, a not-for-profit established in Singapore in 2017. On the Vechain organization, there are two unmistakable tokens, Vechain Token, VET, beforehand VEN, and Vechain Thor Energy, VTHO. The previous is utilized as gas or energy to influence exchanges utilizing brilliant agreements, and the last option is used to communicate cash across the Vechain organization. What was VET's untouched high? The Vechain cost history made some all-memories high of $8.2618 in January 2018. In those days, it utilized the VEN image. Might the Vechain at any point Vetcoin reach $1? The digital money market is famously unstable, and foreseeing future costs is generally a test. Nonetheless, in view of latest things, it appears to be conceivable that Vechain could reach $1 inside the following little while. The Vechain stage has been acquiring notoriety among organizations and engineers, and its cost had been consistently ascending before the crypto winter started. With additional organizations embracing Vechain for a production network the board in different applications, request is probably going to keep on developing. Assuming that this pattern lives on, Vechain could undoubtedly reach $1 or much higher inside the following couple of years. Obviously, anything can occur in the crypto market, so this is in no way, shape or form an assurance. In any case, Vechain gives off an impression of being situated for a long-haul achievement, and $1 appears to be a practical objective sooner rather than later. Vechain Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Vechain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Vechain will be $0.025. The greatest level that the VET cost can reach is $0.028. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.026. VET value figure for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Vechain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical VET pace of $0.024 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.022 and at $0.025, individually. October 2022, Vechain value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the VET cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.024, while the greatest could reach $0.026 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Vechain may be around $0.025. VET value estimate for November 2022. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Vechain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal VET rate they foresee may be around $0.026 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.025 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.027. December 2022, Vechain value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the VET cost will be exchanged at $0.026 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Vechain worth to $0.028. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.025 in December 2022. Vechain value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Vechain in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Vechain will be around $0.036. The greatest expected VET cost might be around $0.044. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.037 in 2023. Vechain value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Vechain, in 2024, VET is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0.053 and $0.063, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.054. Vechain value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Vechain and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base VET cost could drop to